sentence. How school educate a student about mental health. We read the passage and find out some words. We read and we write the some words which are exceptional in this passage. So you tell me the meaning of the words and make a sentence of your own way. Please tell us first what is the meaning of donate and make a sentence, please.
Donates means দান করা. The word of the sentence of this donate is he donates $50,000 to the nearby mosque.
Donate means
Donate means he দান করা.
make a sentence on it.
He donates 50,000 টাকা to the nearby mosque.
Came true.
Came true সত্যি হওয়া. My dream is finally came true.
My dream is finally came true. What is the meanings of Bengali to it?
সত্যি হওয়া.
That sentence unfamiliar. What is the meaning of unfamiliar?
The meaning of unfamiliar is অপরিচিত.
Oporichito. Make a sentence on it.
He is unfamiliar to me.
He is unfamiliar
To
me. Third fourth word community.
Community সম্প্রদায়. Our community of our forefather is very strong.
The community
The
of
community
our forefather was very
Strong.
Initiate.
আরম্ভ করা. The project has been initiated by my father.
By my father. Cherish.
Cherish লালন করা. I cherish the memories of the trip.
I cherish
The
the
mem-
memories
Of the trip.
of the trees. Thank you for your information.